probiotics. Probiotics offer one way to support your flock's health. I'm going to talk now about probiotics, often called direct-fed microbials or DFM, and their benefits for poultry. According to the World Health Organization, probiotics are live microorganisms which, when administered in adequate amounts, confer a benefit to the host. Probiotics can support a diverse and well-balanced microbiota. Potent products aim to colonize the gut epithelium cells in order to competitively exclude opportunistic or pathogenic bacteria from establishing themselves in the gut, thus preventing potential harm or serious infection. Now, once probiotics enter in the gut, they proliferate and populate different areas or niches, where bacteria colonies establish a close connection with the host immune system.